The camera pans over a beautiful orchid garden with vibrant flowers in various colors. Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we're diving into a magical secret that can make your entire orchid garden bloom beautifully with just one fruit. Segment 1. Introduction to ethylene gas. Close-up of an apple on a table with a diagram showing the chemical structure of ethylene gas. Host orchids are known for their stunning and exotic flowers, but sometimes they need a little boost to bloom. This is where ethylene gas comes into play. Ethylene is a natural plant hormone found in fruits like apples, bananas, and pears. It's responsible for regulating various aspects of plant growth, including the ripening of fruits and the blooming of flowers. Segment 2. How ethylene gas affects orchids. Host in the garden, pointing to different orchid plants. Host. When orchids are exposed to ethylene gas, it can stimulate the blooming process, making them flower more profusely. This gas can also help synchronize the blooming of multiple plants, creating a spectacular display in your garden. Here's the simple trick. Place an apple near your orchids. The apple will release ethylene gas as it ripens, which in turn will encourage your orchids to bloom. You can use other ethylene-producing fruits like bananas or pears, but apples are often the most convenient and effective. Segment 4, Step-by-Step Guide. Host. Let's break it down into easy steps. Choose a healthy, ripe apple. Place the apple near your orchid plants, preferably in the same pot or very close to it. Leave the apple there for a few days to a week. Check your orchids regularly for signs of blooming. Once your orchids start to bloom, remove the apple to prevent overexposure to ethylene, which can cause premature aging of the flowers. Segment 5. Additional tips and warnings. Host. A few additional tips. Make sure your orchids are well watered and receive adequate light. Ethylene gas works best when the plants are in good health. Avoid using this method on orchids that are already in bloom, as too much ethylene can cause the flowers to wilt faster. Closing shot. Host. And there you have it. Just one apple can make your entire orchid garden bloom magically. Give it a try and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! End screen. Host, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.